Hi friends, I'm Saurav and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel My Garden Care Tips. Friends, when we buy a plant from nursery and report it in our home, after few days, plant cannot survive. This is very common problem for beginners. So today we will discuss on this problem and give you the solution. So watch the video till end and get all information about how to save your new plant. So let's begin. So for reporting your new plant, keep few things in mind. Number 1. Buy a good and healthy plant from nursery. I have already made a video, watch it and learn how to buy a plant from nursery. I will give link in description. Number 2. Keep the plant at semi-shade area for 2-3 days at your home. Do not report immediately. When we buy a plant and bring it to our home, there is a change of environment, so plant is in shock. Keeping the plant for 2-3 days, it helps to adapt your home environment. Number 3. Reporting can be done either in morning or in evening. Please do not report plant in midday. Plant will receive shock when we report it, and if we do reporting in midday, due to heat, plant can get another shock, which is not good. But you can report it anytime in rainy season. Now let's report it. We will take out the plant from plastic bag or pot carefully, as we don't want to damage the plant. Check if it is a clay soil or normal soil. In both ways we need to remove some part of soil so that some of its root should be exposed. Make sure do not disturb the root ball. Take help of your garden tool, or you can do it by hand also. It is important, otherwise root will not develop. If you find clay soil, then remove 70% of soil, and if it is a normal soil, remove 40 to 50% of soil. Removing soil enhances good root growth in plants. It also helps to minimize clay soil in the roots of plant. Friends, nursery people use clay soil because it holds moisture for longer period and helps to keep the root undamaged during transportation. But it will not good for plants for longer period. You can see it contains normal soil. When I put pressure, it breaks easily. That means this is a normal soil. And if it is a clay soil, then it having a soft dough type of texture and it will not break easily. So this plant having normal soil, so we will remove 40 to 50% of soil and expose the roots. For soil, we will take 50% of garden soil, 40% of sand and 10% of vermicompost. Here you can see I have already prepared it beforehand. Also mix neem cake fertilizer in the soil because it acts as a natural fungicide, pesticide and fertilizer. You can watch the full details on neem cake fertilizer. I will give link in description. After that, we will take pot according to plant requirement. Here you can see I have taken 8-inch pot. It must have hole for drainage and we will cover the hole with pot shards. Fill the pot with soil and plant. Make sure you will leave 2 inch from the top of the pot so that you can do maintenance. The stem should be above the soil, otherwise it will rot. Then tap the pot for 2-3 times so that all air pocket will gone. If required, prune the plant to be in shape and make it bushy. Make sure you will not prune the branch which having buds or flower. After repotting, water the plant till it's coming out from drainage hole. It is necessary because root will be settled in soil well. Keep the plant in shade for 3 to 4 days, then keep them in place according to their need. This is for now friends. I hope this video will help you a lot and you will save your plant. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and I will catch you with my new video. Till then, happy gardening.